Again, this time it's Taumalolo. Bumping players off. Oh, what a try!
Wow.
Raw power from Jason Taumalolo. Oh, it was Kafusi steaming through. Tessie New on the inside. Back-to-back scores for Tonga. And Davy Mwale is on. Oh, the pass was on there, and they've got it. They're away down that left-hand side. Another try maybe in the reckoning here. Tessie New! What hands that is! Luke finds Katoa, looping pass. Bounce pass to Sione Katoa. He throws the pass Pellicini. Katoa will get it himself. What a deserved score that is. Katoa. Still not been pinned down. Moses Suli. You'd fancy him in a foot race. Oh my word, what a step. Suli's got support. Tessie New turns his man inside out. What a score that is! Isaiah Katoa, who's thrown a wayward pass for a change, and even that comes off for Tonga here. Little bit of a lucky bounce. Lolahe's gone through. He's got Muna Basila on his shoulder. In fact, it's been pinched.
Oh,
it's been pinched.
Pellicini.
It will make little ripple on this scoreline, but it would give them something to cheer here. Good shape, being shown. Stephen Monsters, I think they've got him in touch there. Or has he squeezed it down?
He has possession of the ball, still has possession. Feet are in the field of play, and the ball is grounded, and then the arm hits the line. Thank you, seen all angles I need. No.
And it will be a try for the Cook Islands. Well, they're through again. Kafusi, support from Amon, perfectly timed. 90 points up for this Tonga team.
And I think,
oh Tukirangi! There's a gift for you. Thanks for coming to the World Cup. Oh, he's just popped one up. Atini Rarona, in his final game as a professional player, gets a try to celebrate. 92 points to 10. Tonga are beaten the Cook Islands here.